If you've been seeing NovaMane hair regrowth serum all over social media claiming to revive thinning hair, reactivate dormant follicles, and deliver visible regrowth in as little as a few weeks, you're probably wondering whether this trending formula is actually legit or just another exaggerated promise in the already crowded world of hair care solutions. And that's exactly why we're taking a closer, honest look at it today. Because millions of people deal with stubborn hair loss, widening parts, and confidence issues tied to slow or weak regrowth and are desperate for something that finally works without painful treatments or expensive clinic procedures. The idea behind NovaMane is simple. It uses a blend of peptide complexes, botanical extracts, and scalp-stimulating actives designed to increase blood flow around the follicles and support the natural growth cycle. And according to the brand, this can help strengthen the root, improve density, and support thicker strands over time when used consistently. Applying it is straightforward. You massage a small amount directly onto the scalp once or twice a day, let it absorb, and continue your routine normally. And the lightweight texture makes it easy to use without making your hair greasy, which is a huge plus for people with fine or oily hair. Some users report reduced shedding within weeks and a noticeable improvement in small problem areas after a month or two, which makes NovaMane appealing for anyone looking for a non-invasive approach that fits effortlessly into daily life. Its biggest strengths include its clean, fast-absorbing formula, gentle performance for sensitive scalps, and the way it supports healthier, stronger hair rather than simply coating it for temporary volume. And for many users, that internal shift is what leads to more sustainable progress. Still, NovaMane isn't perfect. Results vary significantly depending on genetics, lifestyle, and underlying health factors. Severe or medical hair loss cases likely won't see dramatic changes. And because the serum works gradually, people expecting instant regrowth will almost certainly feel disappointed. The cost is also slightly higher than average, and long-term use is needed to maintain improvements, which might not fit everyone's budget. When compared with alternatives like minoxidil, Vegamour, or Ordinary's multi-peptide serum, NovaMane offers a more natural and comfortable experience with fewer side effects, though it's not as aggressively potent as clinically backed treatments, meaning its effectiveness is better suited for mild to moderate thinning rather than advanced stages. So is NovaMane hair regrowth serum a scam or legit? Based on ingredient transparency, real-world feedback, and how consistently it performs for a wide range of users, it's more on the legit side as long as you approach it with realistic expectations and give it the consistency it needs to deliver visible changes over time. If you found this deep dive helpful and want more honest reviews without hype or exaggeration, make sure to subscribe for future breakdowns.